praise you and we thank you for the opportunity of gathering us today. With our hearts we enjoy, we celebrate together. In Jesus' name, amen. In the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit, amen.
Thank you, Martha. Please remain. Thank you, dear.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Yani Sia A. Agasser from Kinder Graduates. Today is a very special day for all of us. We are so happy and excited to celebrate our moving up day. Let's enjoy this day together as we take one more step to our dreams. Thank you and have a wonderful time.
Thank you, Yani. Let us give her a warm round of applause.
Right. We've come a long way. It's so much learning. It's so amazing. Just look and see how much we grow now. We hope we're so proud. We're as bright can be. We practice reading, we practice writing. We're done some math and some science too. When everything ends, I'll be a good friend and try my best in all I do. We've come a long way, done so much learning. It's so amazing, just look and see how much we grow now. We hope you're so proud. We're as bright can be.
Let's give her a warm round of applause.
all the hard work you done to get here. We stand and give applause. Be so, don't forget that learning is not over. As your future plans all commit, may you always be a listener and learn from all you met, and always keep a student spirit, and your life will be complete. Salamat po.
Let's give a hand to Andrea B. Solong. Again, let's give him a warm round of applause. And
whether you're a parent teacher or staff member, your efforts are valuable and deeply appreciated.
Maraming salamat po.
I'm very happy, truth be told, yung event po natin was very, very nice. Our events keep on getting bigger and better, and this was made possible due to a long list of people who have willing to share their talent, and resources just to make these events a success.
Not just the confidence, but the camaraderie. It gives us a sense of community that helps our students feel belong. Together, we can create a loving community for our students to grow old. Happy Foundation Day! Happy Family Day to everyone!
School staff, to our guest speakers, who shall be formally introduced later, and most importantly, to our wonderful kindergarten graduates, good afternoon. Today is a very special day. It might look like a room full of little people in caps and gowns, but what I see are future scientists, future artists, future builders, doctors, musicians, lawyers, beauty queens, brave leaders, and maybe, and hopefully, even a future president. To our graduates, you finally did it. After all the hard work, like the unending quizzes, long tests and quarter exams, and after all the good times like the Halloween, Christmas party, and Foundation Day, as well as our field trip, we now come to this, a ceremony intended to honor all your hard work, achievements, and sacrifices. While some of you might think that all of this may seem mundane at first thought, in reality, these are the foundations of a successful early childhood school life. A solid preschool foundation that serves as a precursor to a successful elementary schooling. And now for the benefit of our first-time visitors here today, just a bit of trivia. From 2006 to 2018, The school then only offered toddler, nursery, kindergarten, and preparatory levels. During these times, we have produced countless achievers from other schools. We've had a long and rich history of achievers from big schools like Ateneo, La Salle, St. Paul, St. Joseph, St. Mary's, Lourdes, Dominican, San Sebastian, Trinity University of Asia, just to name a few. Back then, around 50% of our kindergarten graduates end up as achievers. And now that we are offering elementary schooling, the goal now is for our students to be able to enter science high schools in the future. And 7 years since that time, nothing has changed. St. Anselm still is continuously producing achievers. About the same time, the school conducted a study on the profile of our achievers, and lo and behold, we found 3 significant things. First, that majority of our students who eventually became achievers in other schools actually went through nursery junior, nursery senior, and kindergarten at St. Anselm's. In short, they started earlier than usual and went through the normal leveling process. 2, that even regular students of St. Anselm have become and can become achievers in other schools. In short, each and every one of you has the potential to become an achiever. And number 3, and more importantly, that majority of our achievers have typically very supportive parents rallying and supporting behind them. And now, deducing from what we've learned, it could be surmised that our kindergarten graduates will always have the edge academically because not only did they started learning early, but their curriculum is a year in advance. Equally important is the role that you, my dear parents, have. Your support is as crucial as it is important. How well and how far your kids will achieve will primarily depend on the amount of assistance and guidance you will be giving them. Truth be told, the school alone cannot develop achievers by ourselves. We need your support. As Henry Ford once said, coming together is a beginning, staying together is progress, and working together is success. With this being said, and in relation to this year's theme, Generation of Unity, Partners for the New Philippines, we, the school, and the parents alike have to be united towards a common goal, which is the full development of our students, academically, physically, and emotionally. We are practically partners in this endeavor, and it is in this partnership where the success of our students is dependent upon. And now, speaking of partnerships, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all our partners who have greatly contributed to the success of academic year 2024-2025. First off, to all my dear parents, thank you po for trusting your child's preschool education and foundation with us. You are their first teachers, and your love has built the foundation for every success they will ever have. Thank you as well for your unending support to all our school activities and programs such as the Halloween and Christmas party, the field trip, the quiz bee, the inter-school competitions, and the like. Special mention to your unconditional support to the fundraising drive of our recently concluded and highly successful 19th Foundation Day. Again, maraming salamat po sa ating mga magulang dito. Let's give ourselves a warm round of applause. First off, our SPTA auditor, Mary Grace Sanchez. And of course, our SPTA advisor, Teacher Iris Pinatan. It's noteworthy to mention po that just 2 days ago, I'm sure if you came in earlier, you would have seen the clips earlier during the DCRH turnover. It was being played earlier today. It's noteworthy to mention that just 2 days ago, 3 members of the SPTA, led by its President Alan Paulo Malyare, along with the Crown Ambassador of St. Anselm School, our student Zachary Sebastian Malyare, and our St. Anselm Ambassadress Yani Agaser, with Teacher Iris, Teacher Diwata, and yours truly, turned over 5 pieces of wheelchairs to DCRH identified PWD beneficiaries. Thank you po for this very significant undertaking geared towards helping our fellow men. Maraming salamat po dyan, SPTA. Okay, moreover, my dear SPTA officers, for and in behalf of St. Anselm School, and from the bottom of our hearts, we thank you for your commitment to facilitate the donation again of 4 units of 2 horsepower Carrier split-type air conditioners for our classrooms for the new building. Actually, may bonus pa, teacher. May isang TV pa daw. Yeah, so sa Monday daw kita. Thank you po. Maraming salamat. Your commitment po to support and help the school upgrade its facilities is truly commendable and heartwarming. Rest assured that because of your continued generosity and show of support, the entire school and its staff is more motivated and encouraged to work harder to teach our students more than ever. Again, maraming salamat po, SPTA. And now, okay, to all our Wonders of Nature pageant finalists, most especially Yani Agacer, our St. Anselm Ambassadress, and Heroes of the Animals, Gabriel Ian Machica. And can I request them, along with their parents, to please rise to be recognized? Ian and there's Yani. Okay? We sincerely thank you po, ma'am, for all the support that you have given this activity. It was through your collective and tireless efforts to raise and source additional funds that the installation of the air conditioning systems for the new building will be made possible. Maraming salamat po. Okay, next up, to our dear teaching and non-teaching staff, both of whom have important roles to play in the overall success of this academic year. May I request our teachers to please stand, both teaching and non-teaching staff. Yeah, palakpakan po natin sila. Thank you po for congratulations for a job well done. The achievements of your students are also your achievements. Thank you for the hard work and passion to teach. To all our students here today, recipients of both academic and non-academic special awards, our sincerest congratulations for a job well done. You deserve it. Special mention to our students who represented the school in various inter-school competitions in Taekwondo, Quiz Bee Mathematics, and Quiz Bee Spelling, majority of whom made the school proud through their achievements. Our sincerest congratulations to each and every one of you. For us, all of you are winners. May this occasion be a fitting reminder that what you sow, you reap, and that nothing is impossible if you put your heart and mind into it. Be the best that you can ever be, and never once forget that you're a true blue Anselmian and that you shall not take second best. In closing, to my dear incoming grade 1 students and their parents, this, I personally assure you that we shall do everything in our capacity to do everything absolutely possible to help your child become confident, intelligent, independent, and successful students. As our tagline states, achievers are not born, they are made. Allow us to unleash your child's full potential. I sincerely hope to see all of you next year. It truly would be an honor to have a fun-filled and exciting year ahead with all of you. Thank you again, and good afternoon.
Good afternoon to all the wonderful teachers, parents, guardians, and cherished guests who have joined us to celebrate our kindergarten students of academic year 2024-2025. To start off, I would like to thank Andrea, Jenna, and JC Gray for the well-delivered poem. Palakpakan po natin yan. Gagaling, di ba? Sabi ko nga kanina, buti pa sila kabisado ang stage. Si Teacher Diwata, hindi. Ang galing po talaga nila. Also, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to our dear student Marta Rafael for leading us in a truly meaningful opening prayer. And Yani Zia for her delightful opening remarks. Didn't they do an amazing job? They exude confidence and warmth, and I think we can all agree they deserve a big round of applause. Tayo, Marta and Yani. I also want to take a moment to acknowledge the inspiring presence of our talented Anselmians, Audrey and Aubrey Paulino, who will share their inspirational message with us shortly. As twins and consistent honor students of St. Anselm School, they have They have made their mark not only in nursery and preparatory, but also in their journey through grade school and high school at St. Mary's College, Quezon City. Just to share with you, Aubrey ranked 3, highest honor, while her twin, Audrey, ranked 4 with highest honor. Let's give this remarkable young women a warm and loving welcome. Please stand up to be recognized. Yes, kambal po sila. Harap kayo. Also, I would like to recognize the La Chica family. May I call on, and very proud also to mention, Ken La Chica, who just graduated from St. Paul University, Quezon City with honors, and now will be studying activity science. Tama ba, Ken? Kaway-kaway. Tito po siya ni Gabriel La Chica. I guess it runs in the family. Thank you, Ken. Also, hindi pa uhuli syempre si Kuya. Please stand up. JP La Chica is now a grade 9 for Philippine Science. Hindi rin siya nagpapahuli. Siya po ay director's list. Parang dean's lister po, tama po. Ayan, palakpakan po natin sila. I can only imagine the pride glowing in the hearts of their parents, Mrs. Paulino and Mr. and Mrs. La Chica. Would you please stand up so we can celebrate you? You supported and nurtured your daughters and son through every challenges. Let's show our heartfelt congratulations to their sounding round of applause for their dedication and love. Bata pa po sila. As we gather to celebrate the special milestone of Batch 2025, we hold close to the Department of Education's graduation theme, Generation of Unity, Partners for the New Philippines. Embarking on the new journey to grade school is a significant step, filled with anticipation and hope. We strive diligently our curriculum, lesson plans, and activities to ensure our students feel confident and prepared to engage with their peers from other schools. I am truly proud to affirm that our students are not only academically equipped, but also emotionally and socially prepared for the adventures that lies ahead. Aligned with the DepEd Matatag curriculum, St. Anselm School aims to stay ahead, ensuring our students are guided with compassion and understanding. Our commitment is to prepare each child at every stage, from nursery junior, nursery senior, through kindergarten, and into grade school. Just to share, wala po kasi sa skit. Pangarap ko rin po na yung graduates po ng St. Anselm, sana matuloy na po ang grade 4, 5, and 6, e makapasali po sa San School. Achievements po ng magulang yan, pero mas achievement po namin sa school. Yan po ang promise namin, and we'll be working hard for that. Furthermore, DepEd emphasizes the importance of unity and our collective efforts in education, working toward a brighter and stronger future for all our students. I wholeheartedly believe that St. Anselm School is the only right path fostering an environment where every child can thrive. Anselmians truly reflect the essence of our school's dedication to excellence, and it brings me immense joy to share in our accomplishments together. Every year, we pour our hearts into ensuring that our curriculum meets the highest standards for our cherished students. This academic year, we are thrilled to be part of the Inter-School Academic and Athletic League, ito po yung isaan, which includes 64 schools. I am especially delighted to celebrate the achievements of our 4 students who participated in the Quiz Bee Spelling Contest. Each of them earned a bronze medal. A heartfelt shout-out goes to our dear kinder student, JC Gray Sanchez. Asan si JC Gray? Ayan. Nagkaroon po siya ng bronze medal. Imagine, 64 schools po silang lahat. Ilan lang po silang nabigyan ng medal. For your incredible achievement, congratulations. We also had two remarkable students from the Mathematics Quiz Bee who received silver and bronze medal, a testament to their hard work and dedication. To be honest po, this is our first time to join INSAL. So, very proud of our students that they were able to get an award. Nagulat po yung ibang mga big schools, saan daw po nanggaling yung mga estudyante na St. Anselm. Sana nakita pa nila iba. Kaso one student per level lang po inaalam. Kung pwede ko po isama lahat, baka lahat po sila meron may award. I want to take a moment to honor our talented Taekwondo athletes also, who represented our school with pride and grace in various competitions, bringing home gold and silver medals. Their determination and spirit are truly inspiring, and I hope this encourages them even more students to participate in these competitions and showcase their unique talents. Moreover, this academic year, we're excited to introduce robotics into our curriculum. Thanks to our friends at Science Box in Korea, our robotics kits were successfully implemented for grade 2 and 3 students by the last quarter of this academic year, and they adapted beautifully. We are also thrilled to offer coding program for grade 1 students, which I believe they have enjoyed immensely and learned so much from. Ayaw na nga po umuwi at mag-coding pa po sila. These experiences are crucial to fostering our students' skills, talents, and confidence, contributing significantly in their growth. These formative years, from this strong foundation, we hope to nurture our grade schoolers into joyful, confident individuals who are well prepared to embrace challenges and move forward in their academic journey. Before I end, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to our Anselmian parents and guardians for choosing St. Anselm School for your children's education. Your trust and support to us continually inspires us to strive for excellence in providing quality education year after year. I also want to thank each of you for your unwavering support in our school activities such as the Halloween party, the Christmas party, and the field trip. These events have been lovingly prepared to allow our students to showcase their talents and create cherished memories with their families. A special thank you goes to all of you parents and guardians who supported our Foundation Day program, organized by our SPTA. Our achievements simply wouldn't be possible without your incredible involvement. Congratulations also to our pageant winners, Miss Ambassadress Yani Zia Agazer, and Heroes of Animals Gabriel Iya Madrid Lachiga. Please stand up to be recognized. Sana po next year makasama po ibang mga students, and I hope you will enjoy. I think with Teacher Joey, nagbigay tayo ng discount sa tuition ng Mr. and Mrs. Ambassadress. Ayan. Bukod po sa sila'y tinuruan po ng modeling at saka dancing po. We got Miss Girly as the dance coach. So, marami pong kasama po doon sa pageant. We owe a warm thank you to our dedicated officers, SPTA officers. Please stand when I call your name to be recognized. SPTA Auditor Ma'am Grace Sanchez. Thank you po. SPTA Advisor, Miss Crystalline Kilatan. Sino yun? Si Teacher Iris po. Your leadership during 3rd Foundation Day celebration and invaluable assistance with our second year St. Anselm pageant have been truly remarkable. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts. I cannot forget to acknowledge our wonderful teachers, Teacher Iris, Teacher Hannah, Teacher Andrea, Teacher Erica. Your unwavering dedication and passion have not only imparted knowledge, but have also made this educational journey a joyful one for each student. Your love and patience inspire them to strive for excellence. Let's give our teachers a warm round of applause. Lastly, hindi po pauhuli, I want to extend my deepest gratitude to our dedicated school staff Please stand up at kaway-kaway po yung mga nasa likod. Teacher Irma, Teacher Glyza, Teacher Macy, and Kuya Norvik. Your enthusiasm and care uplift our students every single day. Please take a moment to stand and to be recognized. Nahiya po silang tumayo, kaya ulitin ko po. Okay, konti na lang. Dear kindergarten students, hello! Visit pa. Please stand up. I want to take a moment to celebrate this exciting transition as you prepare to enter grade school. Are you ready to enter grade school? Yes. I truly hope you continue to find joy in your learning journey and while dedicating to your studies. I know it can feel challenging at times, but always remember that you are an Anselmian. And with your heart and mind together, there's nothing you can't achieve. I am so proud of every one of you. Kindergarten students, are you ready? Congratulations sa inyo. So before I step down, I want to share a profound quote by Jane D. Hall. At the end of the day, the most overwhelming key to a child's success is the positive involvement of parents. Our children are our greatest source of joy, and in their eyes, we are entirely their world. Ulitin ko po. In their eyes, we are entirely their world. Every step we take and every word we say profoundly shapes their lives. Once again, a warm and pleasant good afternoon to everyone.
Everyone, to our distinguished directress, Mrs. Diwata Gabat, to our president, Mr. Joey Gabat, to esteemed faculty, proud family, cherished friends, and most especially to our little graduates. Let's give them a round of applause. What a big day this is. I'm so happy to be here because, just like you, I once wore a cap just like that, sat on a chair just like yours, and called school my home. I still remember the sound of laughter in the classroom, the smell of crayons, and the fun of singing songs with my friends. I remember my teacher giving us a lesson on mathematics or any other subject that would allow us to grow. I would always remember those times where we would play as we wait for our teachers to catch us. And even though I've grown a lot since then, I carry those memories within my heart, like tiny treasures in a box I can open anytime I miss being small or I feel a little sad. You will see, as you grow older and older, you will keep on learning some new things and meeting some new friends. As a result of that, you will do much bigger things. No matter how tall you get, never forget the little moments that made you smile, like your playtimes at recess, hugging your teacher, or making a colorful card for mom and dad. Those are your happy memories. You are of whom they are a part of. Remembering them feels like greeting an old friend, and when you do, your heart smiles all over again. So, as you take your next big step into grade 1, carry those memories with you. Keep them safe. Talk about them. Draw them. Laugh about them. Because they are your story. And your story is just beginning. To the parents here today with you, a beautiful choice is made. You chose a place that teaches kindness, wonder, along with confidence, not just letters and numbers. You picked a school that feeds the soul, not just the brain. And I, as well as every alumni before me, are living proof that the love and learning that began here continue to shape who we become. Congratulations, tiny graduates. Keep growing, keep smiling, and always keep the happiest parts of St. Anselm close to your heart. And to rephrase the old saying, keep your lessons close, but your memories closer. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
A warm round of applause.
To our dear school directress, Mrs. Diwata D. Dapat, the school president, Mr. Joey C. Dapat, teachers, parents, guardians, guests, and the little learners that sit before me today, a blessed afternoon to you all. My name is Audrey Julian C. Palino, and I am a proud alumna of St. Anselm. First and foremost, I would like to express my heartfelt congratulations to the graduates who are proudly presented today. That spot you are sitting on right now was made for you, as well as the spotlight that will surely shine on you all one day. Just like all of you here today, I was once a little girl with dreams and bright ideas. I used to walk through the same halls and made friends in the same classrooms as you did. I held my mother's hand, shy and a little scared of what awaits me inside this school. I'm sure you all are a little scared too, of the great unknown that is called the future. So I will impart to you all a little story that will surely not take up too much of your time. A week ago, I was at a different place with my mother and sister. I needed to do a business there, so they waited for me to return at a waiting area nearby. When I did return a few hours later, my mother told me that she saw a guardian of one of my former classmates at St. Anselm. She told me who that classmate was, and I was surprised for not being able to recognize their name. Who's that? I don't remember I had a classmate with a name like that, is what I told her. My mother was also surprised at me for not remembering that she even showed me a class picture from my time at St. Anselm. I remember looking at the photo and thinking, oh gosh, I don't remember most of my classmates at all. Sure, I remembered my friends, but did I remember most, if not all of my batchmates from that time? In 10 years, will you remember not only your friends, but the people who helped you along the way? The lesson I want to impart with you all is to remember to not forget. In a few hours, my words will only be a distant memory of your day. You will soon forget about this program as we celebrate a new milestone of your lives. It is not an awful thing to forget, but forgetting yourself in the process is. To the parents of the graduates, I assure you that you have made the best possible choice for your child in St. Anselm. It is not only in academics that the students have learned, but also compassion for others as well. Their education is in safe hands with the responsible teachers of St. Anselm. For the little learners, a final reminder before you all begin to part ways. Remember St. Anselm, the lessons you learned and the memories you cherish, but most importantly, the friendships you found. Thank you and have a nice day.
upon you this award, please allow me to share with you its true significance. In actuality, a good number of our academic awardees in the past were loyalty awardees. So what does it mean to be a St. Anselm Loyalty Awardee? It means that all 5 of you have a greater chance to be an achiever. And drawing from that premise, it simply means that the longer that you stay with us, the more prepared and trained you become, the higher your chance of becoming an academic achiever at any school you elect to go to. And now, as we bestow upon you this medal, I am confident that with the more than adequate learning that you have received from St. Anselm and the positive experiences that you carry with you, you're more than ready to face any and all challenges elementary schooling has to offer. And so, without further ado, may I call on stage our school directors, Teacher Diwata, to bestow the Loyalty Award to these top deserving students. It is with great honor and privilege that I present to you our 5 Loyalty Awardees in alphabetical order. To start off, may I call on De Leon, Juan Andres, Duran, Tyler, Henry, L, Samudio, Isa, Mika, G, Sanchez, JC Gray, P, and Saulo, Andrea, P.
And top 4 and 5 will be awarded with a certificate of recognition. These awards are meant to recognize students' excellent and exemplary scholastic performances. The objective of school administrators is for such types of events to inspire students to keep going above and beyond until they eventually reach formal education. A life filled with achievements for your child will become a reality with continued motivation and support, especially from their parents, along with an outstanding choice of academic institution.
Indeed, it was a well-deserved undertaking from 1st to 4th quarter, and we believe that they deserve to receive the fruit of their achievements, hard work, and efforts. For the awarding ceremonies, may I call on Teacher Diwata and Teacher Hannah on stage. To start off, I am honored to introduce to you the awardees of the kindergarten level. For 5th place, we have a tie, garnering an average of 93.87 to be awarded a certificate of merit. May I call on La Chica Gabriel Ian Madrid. He is the proud son of Miss Christine La Chica and Ian Madrid Hapsa. Let's give them a warm round of applause. He is a
fourth place, garnering an average of 94.21%, to be awarded a certificate of merit, may I call on Eusebio Marta Rafaela B. She is the proud daughter of Mrs. Colleen K. P. Eusebio and Mr. Artmar P. Eusebio. Let's give them a warm round of applause. For third place, garnering an average of 94.88%, to be awarded a bronze medal, may I call on Samujo Izamika G. She is the proud daughter of Mrs. May Anjanette G. Samujo and Mr. Ralph Akin F. Samujo. Let's give them a warm round of applause.
For second place, garnering an average of 95.29%, to be awarded a silver medal, may I call on Officer Yani Zia A. She is a proud daughter of Mrs. Zia A. Alaser and Zernan B. Alaser. Let's give them a warm round of applause. And finally, for first place, garnering an average of 96.14%, to be awarded a gold medal, may I call on Sanchez J.C. Grady. He is the proud son of Mrs. Mary Grace de los Santos Sanchez and Mr. J. Uy Sanchez. Let's give them a warm round of applause.
Once again, let us give a hand to our kindergarten level academic awardee. Grade D. He is a recipient of Star Reader Award, Collaborative Kid Award, Task Champ Award, Little Teacher Award, Inter-School Extracurricular Award in Poem Recital, Inter-School Extracurricular in Quiz B, and Perfect Attendance in Extracurricular. He is also our champion in Mathematics Quiz B and Science Quiz B. Let us give him a round of applause.
Body Award and Perfect
That's a lot, babe. How many did you get?
Let's give her a warm round of applause.
This is the inside out also. Don't worry, it won't be too long. This is the inside out also. Your emotions are never wrong. Hooray! Today is a very special day because we are celebrating not just our graduation but a big journey that we have been on. And to make it even more fun, I will take you on a little trip to the world inside our heads. Our first stop is joy. When we discovered the magic of reading, writing, counting, and the bonding we had with our friends and classmates. Thank you, teachers, especially my tutor, Teacher Irma. But sometimes we also feel sadness whenever our guardians tell us to stop playing because it's time to go home. Then there's fear, just like the first day of nursery, junior, with teacher Lay and teacher Glyza, when we would not allow our moms to leave. But look at us now. We have become braver. And let's not forget about disgust. Remember our nursery senior science lesson about different tastes? Teacher Gianna, Teacher Macy told us to try the coffee that tastes so bitter and disgusting. After that is anger. When Teacher Andrea or Teacher Hannah does not call us while we raise our hands, but they taught us how to stay calm and be more patient. Of course, there is embarrassment. When Teacher Erica or Kuya Narvin calls us out because of our loud voices in the playground. At times, envy comes in when we see someone who has a toy that we have been asking for from our parents. Finally, we also feel and we are boredom. Doing our Philippine word. Thanks to my class, it makes school so cool. Finally, anxiety. When we had our big exams, quiz B, a poem recital, but Teacher Diwata and Teacher Joey reminded us that everything is okay. To us, kinder graduates, each of us is full of these emotions, and together they help shape us into the amazing little people that we are today. Thank you, Papa Jesus. Thank you, St. Anselm School. Thank you, Mama, Dad, Baby Green, Lolas, Lolos, Titas, Titos, and my dear classmates for all that you do. We love you.
Thank you, JC Gray, and once again, congratulations for a job well done. You deserve it. Let's give him a warm round of applause.
As we look forward to first grade, remember that it is okay to feel all these things. In fact, those emotions will help us in our next adventure. In the future, nostalgia will come in. So just like Riley, let us continue to grow and do exciting things ahead. Thank you and congratulations.
Let's give him a warm round of applause. A beautiful chapter coming to a close and beginning of a brand new journey. As I stand here, looking at the bright, eager faces of our young graduates, my heart is full. Full of pride, joy, and touch of sadness. Knowing that our time together in the classroom has come to an end. To my dear students, sorry. You walked into our classroom months ago, some shy, some full of energy, all of you ready to explore the world in your own unique way. And what an incredible journey it has been. You amazed me with your curiosity, made me laugh with your questions, and touched my heart with your little teacher look and warm hugs. Every time we say goodbye after class, it feels like National Hug Day every single day. Because not a single day passes without me receiving a hug, and those hugs aren't just part of the routine. They are full of love, gratitude, and connection. Sorry po. As an advisor, I see it every day. Those little arms wrapped around me, those bright smiles and warm exchange without words. It's beautiful, it's real, and it speaks volume about the kind of teacher I am. You taught me just as much as I taught you, lessons about patience, joy, and purest form of love. But one of my favorite parts of our learning was in science. Do you remember when we learned about how plants grow? We talked about how every tiny seed needs soil, water, sunlight, and time. We watched together as little green sprouts push through the soil, slowly becoming stronger, taller, reaching for the light. That, my dear children, is exactly what you've done. You came to us as tiny seeds, full of potential, and with the love from your families, the support of your teachers, and the friendships you formed, you grew. Day by day, word by word, you stretched and blossomed into something beautiful. Our classroom was not just a place for learning, but a home where we celebrated small wins and faced challenges together. You made each day special, and for that, I am forever grateful. To our ever-supportive parents and guardians, thank you for walking alongside us, for your trust, your late-night project help, your words of encouragement, and your unwavering belief in your children and in us. Your partnership made all the difference. Thank you for allowing me to be part of your child's very first steps in school, a privilege I will always treasure in my life. And now to our graduates, this is not a goodbye. This is me cheering you as you take your next steps. Always remember, you are smart, you are strong, and you are deeply loved. Take the laughter, the lessons, and the love from your classroom with you wherever you go. The world is waiting for your brilliance. I have no doubt that each of you will shine in your own special way. Congratulations, my kindergarten graduates. Go forward with courage in your heart and wonder in your eyes. You will always have a special place in mind. Thank you and good afternoon.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today is a very special day. We are graduating from kindergarten. This year, we learned so much amazing things. We learned how to write and how to count figures, and even how to zip our jackets all by ourselves. Thank you to our teachers for helping us grow, teaching us with kindness and always being patient, especially when we forgot to raise our hands or lost our pencils for the 10th time. Thank you to our moms and dads and families for cheering us on every day, helping with homework, and making sure we get to school even on rainy days. Thank you to our classmates for being good friends, sharing toys, and making school so much fun. We are ready for grade 1. We will keep learning, keep trying, and keep smiling just like we did in kindergarten. Congratulations to all of us of kindergarten graduates of 2025. Thank you, and let's all enjoy this special day.
Thank you so much, Gabrielle.
Dear God, thank you for this wonderful year of learning, playing, and growing. We are so thankful for our teachers, family, and friends who help us every day. As we move on to new adventures, please help us to be kind, brave, and always ready to learn. Bless us all as we continue to grow and keep us safe on our way home.
Kindergarten. Please stay on the stage for your...
Thank you always from my heart. Your smile has saved me. No matter the day, I can overcome it. I want to express my gratitude to you. Wrapped in the morning light, I remember your kindness. You were there for me in times of need. I'll never forget that warmth. Thank you always from my heart. Your smile has saved me. No matter the day, I can overcome it. I want to express my gratitude to you. When stars shine in the night sky, I hear your voice. You encourage me when I felt lonely. No matter the day, I can overcome it. I want to express my gratitude to you. No matter how far apart we are, these feelings won't change. Because you're here for me, I can be strong. Can overcome it. I want to express my gratitude to you.
Baby, this is super cool. Can I draw here? Look, my baby. It's a surprise. Look. Tada!
Waking up to a new day, feeling blessed in every way. Looking back at all.
Yay! Tinalik sila bumaba.
Looks like plate.
Here, this is your plate. This is your plate kasi that one is ano. Look, this is your plate party. Ano no?
Walking through the park, feeling the breeze. Nature's beauty, putting my mind at ease. Counting my blessings one by one. Thankful for everything that's been done. Only grateful, that's all I can say.